So my name is Vandana, and I'm the founder and creative director at Rang. And I formed this company in 1994. And Rang we have started making, and now we are into B2B segment and make uniforms for the big companies. And we are mainly into workwear uniforms. That's how this company is growing at very we are like every year we are scaling 400% year on year. And right now we are making uniforms for the
So,
company.
I would like to ask you some questions. How are you balancing the tension between human-led artistry and the rapid scaling of digital design?
Okay. So everything starts with one sketch, and this sketch I make accordingly. But this right now, the speed of the garment manufacturing or anywhere is so fast. Then we have to take the help of AI as well. So first I make the first sketch, and then we put it into the AI segment. So the visualization is easier for my clients, because like I can give them like 10 different style with one design, and they can see that visually. So it's easier for them to select the design and choose the style. And if, because the time frame and the lead time becomes very less. So that's how we are balancing both the human led artistry and the AI technology as well.
Beyond the aesthetic, what is the core mission driving Drum to shift the needle in today's saturated global fashion world?
Today's fashion market is so cluttered, and everywhere you can see clothing, garments. And I really feel bad about our earth. So it has to, because the pricing and the quality is become so cheap, and the nobody is taking care of the good qualities. When we used to wear clothes in my younger days, it has to be like for like years to come. But now everything becomes like so use and throw kind of a things. That's why I really don't want that to follow our business. That's why we have entered and specializing into workwear, so that our uniform, two or three or four sets, whoever wears our uniform has to they can wear it for a year or two, so that they don't have to throw them into the garbage. So that's why I have shifted my journey there, because I want to become a sustainable and slow brand. No fast fashion, no throwaway, nothing like that. So that's how I want to create my business.
If we look into future, how will you run? How will Rum's unique approach fundamentally change the way consumers interact with their own personality?
So one thing, since I am specializing into workwear segment, so whenever I meet someone or I see someone at workplace, the sometimes the qualities are so bad, because the owners say that oh, we have to give them like four t-shirts or four trousers for a year, or a particular garment for a year. Then they think whatever they want the cheapest of the fabrics, cheapest of the cloth, and cheapest style of stitching. So that I really want to change with them, because a person is wearing that uniform full whole year, and her confidence needs to be with him or her. Because if you are not confident at your job at that particular day, you will not work properly, and you will not feel good about. Whenever you wear a nice cloth, yeah, nice garment on you, you feel good about yourself, and that I really want to change. It's just not about little bit of pricing, maybe changes with that, but I really want them to wear sustainable. And sometimes whenever I make or select garments for them, instead of 1 year, they can use that particular garment for 2 years as well. So at the end, the sustainability also comes. So instead of throwing that or giving them a cheaper option for 1 year, I can give them a good quality cloth that can last for 2 years as well. So that's my aim, and I really want to change that perception.
Really great.
Thank
Thank you so much. That's